we will deal with photoelectric effect now. Now photoelectric effect is one of the very important phenomenon as far as IIT JEE is concerned. The questions are frequently asked from this topic. In other entrance examination also questions appear from this topic, and it's again a scoring topic and a relatively very easy topic. So we'll move very slowly into this very phenomenon, that is photoelectric effect. Let's understand first what is photoelectric effect all about. Now in photoelectric effect, what happens when metallic surfaces are exposed to certain radiation? It is found that electrons are ejected from the surface. Now this phenomenon of ejection of photoelectrons from metallic surface, when these surfaces are exposed to certain energetic radiation, is known as photoelectric effect. Now to understand photoelectric effect in detail, there are certain basic terms associated with this phenomenon. So we'll have to understand these basic terms and definitions very clearly. So let's move very slowly into these basic terms. The first basic terms we have to understand is photoelectrons. Now it's a very simple term, and the electrons which are ejected as a result of photoelectric effect are simply referred as photoelectrons. I repeat it again, the electrons which are ejected in photoelectric effect are simply known as photoelectrons. The second term that we have to understand is photocurrent. Now if we take a metallic surface and it is exposed to radiations such that photoelectrons are ejected, now the ejection of these photoelectrons from metallic surface is random. They are ejected in different direction randomly. Now photocurrent means when these ejected photoelectrons are made to flow in one direction by application of suitable electric field, the current so constituted is known as photocurrent. Now again I would like to repeat this very term, photocurrent. Now photocurrent refers to the photocurrent which is constituted by photoelectrons when these are made to flow in one direction by application of suitable field. Normally the order of photocurrent is very less. The next, and which is very important term in connection with photoelectric effect, is work function. Now when we are talking about metal, that means there are free electrons. Now free electrons means these electrons do not belong to any particular nucleus. They are free to move anywhere in the metal volume, and there exists a potential barrier all over. Although these electrons have freedom to move anywhere inside the metal volume, but they cannot escape from the surface because there exists a potential barrier.